Hello lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are in one of the cities in China that is known in manufacturing machineries like brick molding machines. If you look at all this area, they manufacture brick molding machines. So today we are coming to visit this factory, check the products, the brick molding machines they have, their costs and everything. So come along with us and let's explore their products.
Big block machine. This is our automatic block machine. Can produce one day can produce 5,000 pieces block.
5,000 pieces.
Yes.
So guys, this is the second machine we are coming to check, and this produces and this produces 5,000 blocks in a day. Wow, that is a lot. Semi-automatic. So how does it work?
Yes, because they have a mixer. Mixer.
This way you mix.
Yes.
Okay.
And deliver the material to the hooper. Hooper.
Okay.
Yes. The operate to this PLC control box.
Okay.
They can automatic to put the material there and making block. See automatic.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow, interesting. So this one is very easy. You just mix from here. Let's go to that side and see. Wow. So guys, this is how you make it. This is the mixer. You can see the mixer. This is for mixing. All you have to do is to put all your material inside. Just like this, and that is all. The machine will automatically mix everything. Wow, interesting. Then after that, conveyor.
Yes, conveyor.
So how do we make it go there?
When open the deliver.
Okay. Cool. So you can see the conveyor. Was it the kind? So guys, I want you to see the conveyor. So you can see. So this is how the conveyor works. So you can see the conveyor. It conveys all the sand to the main machine after mixing. Then you can see here, wow. So we can see over there. So when it comes here, how do we operate?
That's our engineer to operate show you.
Oh, okay. So the engineer is about to teach us, Zamakai. Oh, you use this to open. Ooh. Wow, guys, have you seen that? So this is very easy. You just need 2 people to operate this machine. Only 2 people can operate this machine. It mixes everything. It conveys everything to the machine. You just stand here and make all the pressing to operate this machine. After you have pressed it, you try to push it just like this. So easy and so simple. This is the machine you need for your business. Very easy to operate and it's money printing. Every day people are building and you need this kind of machine. Rahul Kaigega. Then we just mix. see that? So easy, Gia. Yes. Then oh. Oh, Jia. So in Chinese we say Jia, so meaning you add. Okay, man. 太多了。哦，哦，这样。So you see how it is? I don't need any skill to operate this machine. Just after this video, you will know how to use this machine so easily. Whoa, let's go here. Woo! Guys, you need to congratulate me. Congratulate me for making a break within 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes, I don't have any knowledge, any skill about this, but I've been able to mold these bricks or blocks. This is the money printing machine you need to start your business. In Africa, this is one of the money printing machines. If you get one of these, you will start making money. People are building every day. Just buy this machine and you will thank me later.
Yes, we can take a measure this block.
Oh.
Yes, this block is 6 inch, very popular in Africa. It also can do the paver and hollow and solid brick. That can do.
Wow.
You can take a measure
So
it.
from here?
Yes. This.
Oh.
Yes.
Interesting.
With this.
Oh. And with this side as well.
Yes, this size is
Yeah.
very popular in Africa. And high.
Oh, and the height. Whoa. Guys, you see that? So this machine can make different types.
Yes.
Different hollow brick and all different types.
Yes.
Wow, interesting. So if I just buy only this machine, I can start the business.
Yeah.
Only this machine
Yes.
is enough.
Yes.
Wow, interesting. So how much is this? Okay.
You guys.
So just contact me. If you want to know the price, contact me. This is the direct manufacturing factory for producing all these machines. Okay, what other machine can we check out again? Okay, thank you, yeah.